Hey guys, just wanted to start off this video with one of my products, something I came up with. I call this one the V4UC. Basically, we have a Speedway V0.4 for a couple custom end plates. So the regular hammer end plate will look something like this. This one is a custom 3D printed one. You would have your ribbon cable. We going back to the ribbon cable here, guys. Okay, so this basically will go in here like so. I'm gonna try to do everything with one hand for you, if I can. Alrighty, so we have this. We sorted up on the back here, and your wires will go through here. So your ribbon cable will go in here. Like this. And your wires will just be soldered right here. So I got really tired of seeing guys soldering wires directly to the V0.4 board. So in this one we're gonna be soldering wires here, and then it'll form part of your harness. So only thing you'll have connecting your V0.4 to your harness is this board. I hope to make this board available in about a couple days, maybe a couple weeks at most, and shouldn't cost much. Yeah, so I'm gonna go straight into using one of these boards on my car. I'm gonna removing the NO2C, and then we're gonna be putting on one of the V0.3 with the V4UC boards. And this is our soldered product, right? So your ribbon cable will be going in here. All will have difficulty with the one hand is, see. Alrighty, so your ribbon cable will be going in here like this, and then your harness wires will be going through here, and you just solder to the top. This is the first rendition. I plan on making a second one with a few more changes, but this one should be available, like I said, pretty soon, maybe in about a week's time. You'll be getting the board and the IDC connector, so you can go ahead and solder it yourself. I may consider selling them pre-soldered, but I'll let you guys know when I put it up for sale. Right, so next I'm going to put this on my Civic. I'm going to be removing the NO2C, and we're going to be switching to this. Alrighty, and we have the finished product. This, note my soldering is not the best, but we have a 2 feet harness, also soldered onto the board. So like I said, I will essentially just be using the ribbon cable. If I can just fit it like this, ribbon cable, quick disconnect, and this will just go to your universal harness, right? So no more soldering to the V0.4 board. This one, in soldering up, I noticed a few things that I want to change, so by the time I have this available, we have a few more changes to it, just make it easier to solder up for you guys. And yeah, so formal introduction, the V4UC.